So the way we evaluate startup companies is taking into account several elements. First of all is the technology in which they are based. Then we evaluate the management, the team that's going to drive the show, very important. Then of course the market potential of the product that eventually will come up from this company.
For me, the most important thing to value a startup is the entrepreneur, is the team. So there is two elements I use. I like the team and I like the science.
Typically there is one or two lead products in development, and that's what the investors are going to focus on. So focusing on the one or two main products, they will try to determine the cost of development and then the potential sales of that product once it gets to the market.
The amount of investment, of course, it has been challenged by the crisis in 2008 and following, but it has recouped. Today we have the same money available that we had maybe 5 years ago, but probably what is changing is the source of money.
The last 2 years I have seen a significant change for good. So there's more money, there's more resources, there is more people willing to invest.
There seems to be a renaissance in interest for biotech, and that's mainly driven by the fact that pharma companies are tapping into the innovation that comes from the startup. So I would say there is more money available, but again, that's a trend that you see much more in the US than in Europe. In Europe, we are still a bit lagging behind.
What you should do if you are in Europe is trying to overcome those difficulties, because today you can do that by establishing your networks, by talking to people, by arranging advisory boards and other entities or governance bodies that help you to increase your valuation. So I would say it's real, but shouldn't be an excuse.